everybody, it's Dr. Joe and Spider Dog Callie. We're pretty tired from a long, hard night's work. Today we're going to show you some stretches and exercises for hip arthritis. Disclaimer alert, disclaimer alert. So Spider Dog Callie is off taking a nap from saving all those people last night. We're going to lie down too to start off with some pelvic tilts. So with your legs propped up, you're just going to start off with that pelvic tilt where you want your hips to actually move. That pelvis needs to go down. And what you want to do is tighten up those core muscles and push down, almost like if someone had their hands underneath your back, you're trying to squish their hands into the ground. So just pushing down that way. If you can't actually see movement, you're probably not doing it quite right, but just hold that pelvic tilt down for about 3 to 5 seconds and then relax, and just start off with about 10 of those, just getting those hips kind of loosened up and moving just a little bit. After you do 10 of those, then you're going to go up into a bridge. So just nice and slow. You want to kind of go one segment at a time, but make it as smooth as possible. So coming up until you're pretty flat, and then same thing, coming down nice and slow and controlled, just kind of moving one segment of your back at a time, just to get those hips moving, the back moving, and those glutes moving a little bit. So same thing, just start off with about 10 of these. You can work your way up to 20, 25, but just start off with about 10 in the beginning and see how it feels. After you get those hips loosened up a little bit, then we're going to go into some strengthening exercises in the hips and leg area. So bring the leg you want to work straight out. You want to try and keep your legs straight the whole time. So if you pull up your toes, that helps kind of lock out that knee and keep it straight. The other one should be bent because you want to use it as a target, because you don't want to kick up much higher than about the angle of the other side of the leg. So just nice, slow, controlled, come up to about where it is and then slowly come back down. If you don't have to put it all the way down and relax it, try and keep those muscles kind of engaged the whole time. But if you have to take a break in between, that's fine. Again, just start off with 10 of these and kind of see how it feels. Then you're going to turn over to your side with that leg on the ground, and you're going to work the inner thigh muscles now. So you can put your leg, the other leg, behind you, or you can put it in the front. I think it's a little bit easier behind me, but some people prefer it in the front. Still keeping that leg nice and straight, still pulling your toes up, and then just bringing your leg up just a little bit off the ground. It doesn't have to be a big kick for this one, because you're not going to be able to get it super high without kind of rolling over and doing it like that. So just, again, start off with about 10 of them, keep the leg nice and straight, and then relax. So normally you just keep on rolling around, but just to be able to look at you and show you what I'm doing, now you're going to do the top part of your leg. So normally you keep on rolling and use the same leg. So this time the bottom leg, you can kind of just fold it underneath you, but you want to be in pretty much a straight line with your hips, so not bent forward, nice and straight. Still keeping that leg straight, keep those toes pulled up, and almost lead with your heel for this one and just go slightly behind you, almost like you're kicking out towards the angle behind you to really kind of engage those glute muscles back there. So same thing, it doesn't have to be super high, but you just want to get that nice, smooth, controlled motion, keeping that leg nice and straight. And again, doing about 10 of those. And then the last one is to roll over onto your stomach. So this time, still keeping it nice and straight. It's probably not going to go super high with this one either, but really kind of engage those glute muscles in the back and just slightly kick your leg up and back down. Don't kick it high, because then you're going to want to turn your whole body. So it's just up and down, trying to keep that leg as straight as you can, and doing about 10 of those. So after your straight leg raise, you're going to go into a plank position. So on your elbows, come down. If you want to do a modified on your knees, that's fine, you can do that. But try and squeeze your glute muscles so your stomach's not sagging and your butt's not popping up, kind of in a straight line. If you feel like you can do a whole plank, that's fine as well. Just make sure you're using good technique, really kind of squeeze in those glute muscles, and then try and get into a straight line. So not up, not down, but kind of straight through there. Just start off with 20 to 30 seconds and then kind of work your way up from there. And then the last one is going to be on all fours in that quadruped position. And you're just going to do a opposite arm, opposite leg kick out, which is some people call the bird dog. So go slow, try and control it, not going fast, but just kick one leg out, one arm goes out, come back in, and alternate sides. Try and keep your back fairly straight. You're probably going to move just a little bit, but not where you're leaning to one side. Imagine that there's something on your back and you're trying to keep it there without falling off. So there were your stretches and exercises for hip arthritis. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. If you'd like to check out some other videos, go to AskDoctorJo.com. And remember, be safe. Spider Callie's looking out for you. Have fun, and I hope you feel better soon.